Hi everyone, we're going to make a golf stick because we already make a whole ball. Now I start by switching on the screencast key so you can see what I'm doing, and we're going to add mesh cylinder. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shrink that cylinder, so therefore we go to edit mode, face selection over here, right click on that one, and we're going to bring that up to a very thin, and we're going to select the top view where we're going to press delete, going to delete the face. We're going to use edge selection. We right click on that edge, hold down the shift button and right click on the other edge. Sorry, hold down the alt button and right click on the other edge. Press E, extrude S, press S to extrude to the center and bring it to the center through something like this. Going to repeat it by pressing ES again, left click with the mouse, and now bring it down a little bit. Same, ES, sorry, like this, and bring it down again, like that. And again, ES, half of it, bring it down again, and we're going to press F to close it. Now going to select underneath and we're going to extrude that. So we're going to extrude by pressing E, going to extrude through something like this, pressing left mouse key click, then press S to shrink it. I'm going to shrink it to something looking like that, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you see what's happening. We press E again, we're going to enlarge it, make it larger. Okay, I think we're approximately there. We're going to shrink it a little bit because it is a little conically, so to do that we press S like that, and now we're going to make the last part, pressing E to extruding again, and we're going to shrink it a lot because we want to have like that. Okay, now we're going to add a few extra things because I want the inside looking rather smooth, so we're going to select that one and we're going to bring it a little further deeper. If you did it already, you don't have to do it. To reselect, click on edge selection tool, click on the edge, hold down the alt button, click on the other edge and bring it down a little bit. Okay, now where everything is done we press A to select everything, go to the modifier and we're going to use subdivision surface where we're going to bring in, let's say 3. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to smoothen it because this is already smooth but it is not looking like a stick anymore. So to do that we're going to say apply. We're going to do it in object mode. Oh no, we're going to leave it in edit mode. Sorry, we don't going to do apply for the moment. So we're going to press Ctrl R and we're going to select that circle. Now we're going to bring it outside. We're going to do the same, Ctrl R to the inside, like this. Now we're going to select, if this is not colorfully enough for you, what we're going to do now, we're going to face selection, we're going to select the center face, and we're going to bring it up or down until you got what you want. You see, this is looking more smooth. If you have a smaller circle in the center, you can make it more conically. Now the outside, this just has to be straight, so we're doing Ctrl R again, and we're going to select that circle and we're going to bring it down until the other edge. Now we want that to be round but not that round, so we're going to do the same over here. Click on that one. First of all we're going to bring that one up to the edge because this should be okay, looking the same. Going to press Ctrl R again and we're going to bring that one lower. So if you go to directly to what we already designed, then you have a very small circle. If you want a larger circle, so you bring it up a little bit. That's the first point. Now underneath you can do the same, so you can press Ctrl R again, click on that one and bring that one up, and if I think this is looking okay, so this is a nice circle, and underneath we have the same over here. I don't want that looking like this. It has to be straight, so conically bring that one down. Sorry. One moment. Bring that one down, and it should look like that. I want this very pointy, so we're going to do the same underneath. We're going to bring it up. You see, I've chosen that this one is not okay, so I press Ctrl Alt, and we're going to shrink it. So this is enlarging, shrink it like that, bring it more down, shrink it a little bit more. So this is looking okay, and on top of it the same thing. You want this very pointy, so we want it to look like that. Now I think the whole stick is ready, and now we're going to give it the color and the material. To do that we go to object mode, say apply. We're going to give it a color. Mine will be red. You can make them in different colors, of course. Okay. Maximize it, minimum intensity, and switch off shadow like this. And there's your golf stick. Now we're going to render it, of course, and what we're going to do with it is we're going first to lock the camera view, cursor on the screen, 0 on the keypad, and we're going to position it looking like this. Should be okay. We're going to rotate it in Y direction, 60 degrees. It's more looking like this. And we want to see a bit of the front too. I think this is looking nice. So now we're going to go back, cursor on the screen, 0 on the keypad, and we're going to position the camera at the lights, so bring them one down, Control D, one to the opposite side, like that, and we're going to add a plane underneath. So underneath, pressing S to enlarge it and position it underneath. And we're going to give it the same color as a green yard, so switch to green, select green, fully green, maximum. Say it want it a little darker. Like that. Intensity, I don't want any, and I don't want any shadow. Neither. Now we're going to render it and see what's is the result. To do that we switch to rendering. Pay attention that your output file is in the correct directory. Switch also to the correct file format, which is in my case JPEG, and then render it, and this will be the result. This is your golf stick where you can put your golf ball on it, on the art. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.